this lesson, we are going to add a divider. In the previous lesson, we added this counters here. So let's add a divider. So you click on add element and you go to divider. Right there, you've just separated it with this little divider, and you can choose the type. If you want it to be an image, you can add an image, or we just stick with the border. And you can choose the alignment when you put the image. Let's scroll down here for the border. You can choose the color. You can be really creative with it. So for those that just, have a creative side and you want to try different things, you can do this like that. You can put the gap, you can put the width, how far you want it to go, 100. Play with the colors, play with the width. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, just scroll down and change the colors for this. And there's really not much to change on this one here. It's meant to be just like a basic divider, and you can feel free to, change the colors, the size of it, however you want it to be.